Hello you guys, and welcome to this new series on my channel, which consists of 5 speed reviews. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, and I'm going to be posting 1 review a day. So I'm filming everything in one day. I have so many products I want to review for you guys, but makeup videos don't do very well on my channel, especially if I do a full face of first impressions. So that's why I want to make 1 dedicated video per product, per brand, and the timing will vary depending on the product I'll be reviewing. So guys, let me know what you think about these speed reviews. I really want to know what you think. Day number 1, I will be reviewing the Physicians Formula and the e.l.f. Putty primers. Day number 2, I will be reviewing the ALMAY Skin Perfecting Healthy Bio Makeup Foundation and the Revlon Color Stay Light Cover Foundation. Day number 3, I will be reviewing the Fold Out Face Palette from Woosh Beauty. Day number 4, I will be reviewing the Jazz Claire Eyelash Glue and Black Eyeliner Duo. And the 5th review, which will be on Friday, it'll be on these eyebrow grooming stencils. I am so excited to share my thoughts with you guys. It was a little crazy. Anyways, those are the 5 reviews I will be doing this week from Monday to Friday. So I'm so excited to share that with you guys. And yeah, let's get on with review number 1. Okay, so these are the 2 products I'll be reviewing: the Physicians Formula Putty Primer and the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. This one is $11.99 and this from e.l.f. is $9. I checked on both Physicians Formula and the e.l.f. website, so they can be cheaper at Walmart or Ulta, so make sure you check it out. It's called the Butter Believe It Putty Primer. It has 4.5 stars on their website and it looks like this. Beautiful packaging. Let's take a quick look at the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. They have 2 other versions of this one. They have the Poreless Putty Primer and the Luminescent Putty Primer. This is what they look like side by side. The e.l.f. one is white. The Physicians Formula one, something's happening. I have like a liquidy thingy all over the primer. I don't know what that is. Can you guys see that? Look, you see that? Is that normal? I'm not sure. So I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. one. You guys can see how my skin looks like. So I love a matte putty primer just on the T-zone because I tend to get very oily. So I'm just gonna press it down. The e.l.f. one feels, it doesn't feel like a clayish type of primer. It's really blending nicely into the skin, as you guys can see. I really like to rub that into my smile lines just so that the foundation grips to the primer and I don't get any breaking or cracking of the foundation. So this is what it looks like on the skin. It mattified very nicely. As you guys can see, this side of my forehead is looking pretty dewy. So I'm gonna go into the Physicians Formula one. I don't know what's going on. Okay, is it normal? There's something going on with this primer here. Is that normal? Like, look at that. I'm getting like a liquidy base. I think mine is like grossed out. Like, I don't even know if I want to put this on my face, to be honest. I don't know, maybe it's melting. Is mine melting? So I'm just gonna go and apply that. Okay, so I think maybe the 2 finishes are very different. I thought this one was going to be like a very mattifying primer. Even though this one is hydrating, I don't look that dewy, do I? This is definitely mattifying my skin. So whatever your preference is, I like both very much. I'm gonna put my foundation on and I will be returning to show you guys what my face looks like after a few hours of having these on. This is what they both look like. I have the Physicians Formula one here on this side. As you guys can see, it's definitely a lot glowy, but I was expecting something more like oily and not glowy because of how my primer is looking. It looks like it's melting. That's what it looks like. Look at that. So two finishes, but I'm gonna tell you right now, both are very beautiful in my opinion. All right, I'm gonna put on my foundation real quick, and then I'll be right back later on the day to show you guys how the foundation is looking. All right, so I've completed my makeup. This is how the face is looking with the primers. I'm really surprised because they both look identical. All right, you guys, I am back for a quick checkup. I removed my hair extensions, and this is how short my hair is. So thank God for hair extensions. Anyways, the primers, they are both identical. I'm not looking more dewy on the Physicians Formula one. The matte one, I mean, I still have some glow. So anyways, I like them both. That is it. I like them both. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my other upcoming videos. If you want to watch some of my other videos, I have reviewed 5 affordable hair extensions that are absolutely amazing. I'll link the video right here if you guys want to watch it, or watch the latest video I just posted about polygel, builder gel, anything to do with manicure. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, and I hope to see you in my next video.